Hi everyone, in this video I will show you fix please close interception before starting the game in Rust, Apex, Legends, and Fortnite. So I will be showing you the easiest way, no coding, no searching folders. Step 1, you need to download Interception Driver Remover. So you need to go to this trusted GitHub link and then you have to look for the green code button. You need to download this what we call interception download zip, and then here what you're going to do next is you have to extract this zip. So open this file, you need to extract the zip in the download folder. Now you have to uninstall the driver. So inside the folder you need to right click install interception, select run as administrator, and then a window will flash. Now type install interception.exe/uninstall. Or you can just basically open command prompt. You have to go to the search bar or start menu and then open PowerShell window. And then you have to follow what I'm going to show you right now. This one. Okay, install interception.exe/uninstall. And you need to press enter and wait as it processes everything. And lastly, you need to restart your PC. After uninstalling, restart your computer to fully remove the driver. Done. You can now launch Rust, Apex Legends, or Fortnite without that error. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.